Hello, it's a chilly old Tuesday the 2nd. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. Andrew Bailey's been on. He spoke of how the Bank of England may need to continue raising interest rates further. Bailey welcomed the fall in energy prices, but while that may help ease the cost of living crisis, many households are still struggling, particularly those on low income, and the bank still has work to do to ensure inflation does not become ingrained in the UK economy. He made it clear that nothing had been decided against the next MPC meeting though, and he did underline how they are driven by the incoming data and how policy decisions would not be made on a single data point, but the trend is your friend. If that sounds familiar, it's probably because Powell and the Fed have been saying that kind of thing for ages. But don't worry, apparently plagiarism doesn't apply because Powell said it in American while Bailey said it in proper English. You're welcome. Over in the US, non-farm payrolls is due out next Friday. The January data was so far over forecast it rather caught everyone off guard, especially where the Fed had only raised rates by 25 basis points beforehand. Don't forget, it was only about 6 months ago that most of the big banks were convinced Q1 would be absolute carnage in the US, with job losses all over the show and negative numbers on the payrolls data. But that's why we have the sweepstake. So be sure to tune in next Friday for some more of that fun. Meanwhile, market sentiment suggests the Fed will probably raise rates for at least 2 more meetings, and this has been reflected in dollar support. The dollar index peaked around 105.10 yesterday. Sterling has remained within recent trading ranges against the dollar this week. That's as the market mulls over the interest rate outlook in the UK. We traded at either side of 120.20 yesterday. We start the day lower today. We're around 119.75 against the dollar. We're 112.55 against the euro, and euro dollar opened around 106.35 this morning. That's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.